Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Thekadai. This is Vaishnavi. Hope you are all staying safe at home. Today I am going to show you a recipe which is famously known as Railway Wali Aloo Sabzi. I have learned this from my friend. This is no onion, no garlic recipe and such an easy recipe which just takes 5 to 10 minutes. So let's get started. Isn't it an easy and quick recipe? I hope you like this video. Please do try the recipe and let me know your feedback. For more such recipes, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Thekadai. I will meet you all with a new recipe. Until then, take care, bye bye, stay home, stay safe.